All right, we got another elevator here at 30,445 Northwestern Highway in Farmington Hills, Michigan. It's another Otis. And here we are at the third floor. Go back down to 1. Hello. Going up?
Yeah, I am.
Which one are you going to?
2, please.
No problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There it goes.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. You have a good day. Now we'll go over to 3. Let's demonstrate the exterior hall indicator. Immediately when the door closes, the indicator is going to switch. I want to say something. Nope. I was going to see if I could get it to come back, but it's already closed. All right, that will be it.